Open enrollment for 2026 ACA coverage runs from November 1st through January 15th. Miss it and you wait nearly a year unless you qualify for a special enrollment period. The good news: applying on Healthcare.gov takes about 30 minutes if you have the right documents ready. Here is the step-by-step walkthrough for 2026. 2 enrollment windows. Open enrollment runs November 1st through January 15th. Enroll by December 15th and coverage starts January 1st. Enroll between December 16th and January 15th and coverage starts February 1st. The other window is special enrollment, available 60 days after a qualifying life event, losing job-based coverage, marriage, divorce, birth or adoption, moving, citizenship change, income drop into eligibility range, or loss of dependent status. Before you start, have 5 things ready. 1. Social security numbers for everyone in your household applying. 2. Dates of birth. 3. An estimate of your household income for 2026, wages, self-employment, unemployment, retirement income, alimony. 4. Your immigration documents if applicable. 5. Any current health insurance information you might be switching from. Go to Healthcare.gov, click Get Coverage. Enter your zip code. The site routes you to your state's marketplace if your state runs its own, or to the federal marketplace otherwise. Create an account with email and password. The application has 5 sections: About You, Household, Income, Plans Available, and Enrollment. You can save and resume. Most people finish in 2 sittings. The income estimate is the most important number you enter. It determines your premium tax credit, which can take a $700 monthly premium down to $50 or even $0. Underestimate and you owe the difference back at tax time. Overestimate and your premiums are higher than they need to be, though you get the excess back as a refund. Use your most recent tax return as the anchor, then adjust for any major income changes coming in 2026. Once enrolled, Healthcare.gov shows you plans grouped into 4 metal tiers. Bronze, lowest premium, highest deductible, for healthy people who rarely see a doctor. Silver, moderate premium and deductible, and the ONLY tier eligible for cost-sharing reductions if your income qualifies. Gold, higher premium, lower deductible, for those expecting regular medical use. Platinum, rarely available, lowest deductible, highest premium. Most subsidy-eligible families pick silver. 5 common mistakes that delay coverage or trigger problems later. 1. Estimating income too low to maximize subsidy. IRS claws it back at tax time. 2. Forgetting to report a life event mid-year, marriage, new job, which changes your eligibility. 3. Missing the December 15th deadline if you want January 1st coverage. 4. Choosing a plan based on premium alone without checking the deductible. 5. Not verifying your doctors are in-network before enrolling. Recap. Open enrollment November 1st to January 15th. Enroll by December 15th for January 1st coverage. Have SSNs, income estimate, and immigration docs ready. Apply at Healthcare.gov in about 30 minutes. Income estimate decides your subsidy. Silver is the only tier with cost-sharing reductions. Verify doctors before picking the plan.